This is the HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today we're going to show how you can share the Wi-Fi password on this device. First of all, you gotta somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings. You can do that by either swiping downwards from the right part of the status bar, opening the control center and notification panel, and long pressing at the Wi-Fi shortcut. Or you can also get there by launching the General Settings app and entering the network and internet category. In here, choose what Wi-Fi network you would like to share the password of. Over here at the Wi-Fi settings page, I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Then tap on it, and at the network details page, you'll be able to find this little share icon at the very top. And after you'll go for it. In here, you'll be able to see the actual Wi-Fi password, which is in my case HardReset, right below the QR code, as well as the QR code itself, which can be used. First of all, you gotta scan it, of course, with any other device that you were to share the network with, and get it automatically connected to it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.